Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. In today's video, we will be unboxing Charlotte Tilbury's mystery box. But before we get started, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe to my channel and ring that little notification bell so you get to know whenever I upload new videos. And now, if you want to know what I got in this beautiful box, just keep on watching. Okay, my friends, so I think it was July 2nd or July 4th, something around there. I received an email from Charlotte Tilbury where she was offering once again her mystery boxes, and I had to get it and see what it brings inside. I haven't seen many videos of these unboxings, so I don't know if every box contains something different or if all of them were the same, but I just wanted to share with you what I got and open it right here in camera with you. So I haven't even opened it, I just saw it. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna jump in, do a quick video, unbox it here in camera and share it with all of you. The cost of this box was $129 and it's supposed to come with 4 full-size products plus 1 travel size. Now the shipping was free, but after taxes it cost me $139. Now let's just get to open it. As usually, it comes really nicely wrapped. Oh wow, the first item that I got is the Icon palette. I actually had made a review of this palette. This is an amazing, beautiful palette. And this palette right here actually retails for $65. I think if you got the mystery box and you get this eyeshadow palette, it will be a great introduction for you to Charlotte Tilbury brand, because this eyeshadow palette is just beautiful. You have your rosy tones, you have your neutral tones, you have a bunch of different shimmer shades, different type of formulas from Charlotte Tilbury. Then you have this beautiful green right here and this beautiful blue and the black. I think this is a very complete, beautiful palette. Next item that I got, I think this is the travel size, is this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. So this is her famous magic cream. And up on Charlotte Tilbury's website, this product right here comes in 30 ml, 50 ml, and 100 ml. This is a travel size, so this is 15 ml. So the 30 ml is $64. I will say maybe this is $32, something like that. I cannot give it like an exact price because I don't know it, but let's put that is half the price of the 30 ml. Next item that I got that I do not own is this Beauty Light one. It's a highlighter in the liquid form or cream version. I have all the highlighters from her Glow Gasm collection, but I do not own this one, so I'm very excited I got it, and this retails for $38. Next item I got is the Lipgloss, and this is in the shade Hall of Fame. I have never tried this formulation right here. It looks like a lip gloss, very clear with a hint of a pink coral tone. Let's see it right here. Okay, this is just a lip gloss. It doesn't even have a tint to it, as you can tell right there. It's pretty much clear. It doesn't have any real base to it, although it looks right here like it has a pink base. It really doesn't, at least on my skin tone. And the retail value of this product is $22. Last item that I got is the 5-star mascara full fat lashes. I have never tried this mascara by Charlotte Tilbury, and the retail value of this full fat lashes mascara, it is of $29. So the value of my box is of $186, which is not bad at all. Counting that this box cost me $129, so I had a savings of $57. Now there's a few items that I will give them a good use out of them. And if you're new to the brand, I think this box is a really good box to get your toes into what Charlotte Tilbury has for you. So I'm very happy for what I received of the box. The only thing that I think it was a little bit stingy. Sorry Charlotte, you know I love you darling, but this Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream I mean, at least a 30 ml would have been better than a travel size. I don't know, that's just me. And then another item that I'm not like super wow about it is this lip gloss right here. It doesn't have any tint to it. I may have rather received the collagen one, or maybe the new one that she came out this year with. I know it's a little, I know a lot of people say that it's a little bit stinky, but I don't know, this looks very small in size. So I will say that I'm pretty happy with my box, at least with the highlighter, the mascara, and the eyeshadow palette. And again, the magic cream, I really love it. The only thing I wish it was a little bit bigger of a size, but overall it was a pretty good mystery box. Okay, my friends, I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing. If you did so, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you got a mystery box. Let me know, did you got the same things or they were different? Because again, I haven't seen many videos out there about this unboxing of the Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. So comment down below, and before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos, don't forget to ring that notification bell. And until the next time, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye bye. Full